All right, welcome to Tech University. This is Nick. My name's Tim, and Nick is the marketing guru with a little bit of me too as well in there. So, Nick, want to give it a little intro?
So I'm kind of the marketing director over at Techie, and all the stuff you see on Tech University, I kind of create it and then run the ads. So in this podcast, we're going to be talking about marketing in general, and then Tim's going to talk about some of the stuff he's doing on LinkedIn, helping his stores get more sales with flyers, and then I'll kind of talk about what we're doing on the back end with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. Just a state of the union or state of the industry in 2023 for marketing. So talk about what you were doing today on LinkedIn for when you woke up and the post you did earlier this morning.
Yeah, so it's not every morning, it's not every night. What I do is I slot off in my day 3 minutes a day. And I sit down and I go through my LinkedIn, my Instagram, my Facebook, whatever it may be. And I make sure that I comment on some of my big suppliers, some of my big vendors, or even like people that I want to gain business and access to. So what I'll do is, for example, this morning I had an individual post something on their LinkedIn, and I went there and I commented on it, and immediately within 30 minutes they liked the page. So now I'm at the top of their mind. So now I'm trying to gain their business, and so now it's gonna rethink them. Hey, I need to reach out to them. So it's so important that you're commenting on posts, you're posting, and you're engaging through the process. So think about that. Do that 3 minutes a day for 365 days a year, and only imagine what your bank account's going to look like. I promise you that conversion rate's going to be unbelievable.
Tell them the account you got from LinkedIn, the kind of the key to Techie's business right now.
Yeah, so we're doing a lot of B2B right now. And this one particular account that we got, they were throwing away their phones, throwing them away. So I reached out to that particular individual and I said, look, we'll buy back these phones. And we wrote them a check for $150,000 that they were throwing away. And we profited $70,000 off of that. Just one B2B account, all because I was on my LinkedIn for 3 minutes a day.
I mean, that's not to mention you also do Walmart. That was through LinkedIn. A lot of the stores right now are partnered with Walmart. They're inside of Walmart, and all that stuff came directly from LinkedIn. And then we have other videos on the YouTube of handing out flyers inside of the Walmart because there's so many people that go by every day. So this is just some of the stuff that I've seen from him posting on LinkedIn, commenting on LinkedIn. He doesn't have a crazy structure about when he's posting. He just posts some of the stuff he's doing and then comments. So it's crazy to see 3 minutes a day what you can get from it. Inspiring for me, for someone who doesn't use LinkedIn as much. But kind of transitioning over, what about for flyers? What are you telling your stores? Like, how many flyers are you handing out every day? You know, how many flyers do they hand out before they change out flyers, before they change their strategy? What are some tips when handing out flyers? Because I know when you hand out flyers, you try to have a conversation with every single person.
Yeah.
He doesn't just sit there and just hand out a flyer and have it in his hand. No one is gonna approach you like that. But what are some of the tips that you do when you hand out flyers?
Yeah, first, smile.
Yeah.
You know, part of the Techie 5 that we have is Smile is Contagious. Make sure you smile, make sure you're presentable and engaging, right? It's ready to go. So have that. And so when he talks about how many flyers a day, as many as you possibly can.
Yeah.
If you have the time, get out there. We talk about this all the time. Customers are made to push back. We are forced to get the customer. So go out and get them. And the big way to do that is through flyering. So anytime a customer walks by, say I'm inside a Walmart, where Walmart has over 10,000 people inside the store a day. Can you imagine the amount of people that you can hand out flyers to? I make sure I'm smiling, I have the flyer in my hand, and I have a sentence that I'm going to say. And that sentence could change.
Yeah.
It can change from day to day. It can change just by me recognizing it. It's not working today. So it just really depends on where you're at. So for example, we just opened up one particular store, and it's Small Business Month. Well, I'm going to say, hey, support a local business, and hand out a flyer. Or, you know, hey, we're a little slower. We're trying to drive more traffic through the door. Hey, want a free screen protector for your phone? You know, so there's different tactics. Or, hey, I want to get more computer repairs inside of here. Hey, keep in mind, we fix phones and computers. And you'll be surprised when you say phones and computers, the turnarounds people come around on the computers. So it depends on the day and the momentum that you're getting. But I promise you, if you practice it and you just start getting out there, don't worry about what you're saying. Just get out there, put your face out there, give them the flyer. Don't be discouraged if they they don't want the flyer. It's okay. Just get out there and do it. I promise you, the conversions are going to be unbelievable.
Yeah, and I think that if you pair that with running some sort of basic ad strategy, I've been talking to a lot of people in the techie owners and other repair shops, and everybody says right now, if you're going to get customers through Facebook paid ads, it's messenger campaigns all day long. So if you tie together your 3 minutes every single day on LinkedIn, you're handing out as many flyers as possible, and you're spending $10 a day on Facebook ads with messenger campaigns, we can pretty much guarantee that your store is going to have an increase in people reaching out to you. I'm not going to say a guaranteed increase in sales increase, because at the end of the day, you have to be able to convert those leads, right? And there's a lot of stuff going over calls and going over how to get customers into your door on Tech University. And if you have those two things together, you're going to see more people in your stores for sure. And there's a bunch of content on Tech University on how to structure your Facebook ads that I've personally did. So that's kind of the marketing right now for the repair industry. Get on LinkedIn, find your suppliers, be able to buy your devices, get on Facebook, run your ads, hand out as many flyers as possible. Tim says it all the time, promote, promote, promote. If people don't know about your business, they're never going to come in and become a customer of yours. So that's the industry right now. What is it, March of 2023?
Yeah.
And that's what we're seeing is working the best. So.
And the best part is the first two things are free.
Yeah.
Right? And that's awesome. So a lot of people are like, oh, I don't have the budget or the money.
Yeah.
Like, there's no excuses.
Yep.
Like, just get out there, and I promise you, it's going to happen.
Yeah.
So that's Tech University, and it's a little bit about marketing. And if you want to learn more about marketing, we'll be doing more content on here. And I think you even posted on Tech University
how to set up all the ads. Any ad you could possibly want for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all of it is all on techuniversity.com. It's completely free to sign up right now. So head on over.
Thanks.